Well, the Mudgal probe report, which nailed Gurunath Mayappan and IPL COO Sundar Raman, is expected to be the main agenda in BCCI's emergent meet, which is scheduled to be held today. The bigwigs of the board are expected to chalk out a plan of action to reinstall the credibility of IPL.
The boss may have been given a clean chit. BCCI's president in exile being cleared of fixing and betting charges. But the cover is blown off Srinivasan's son-in-law and his crony. Both Gurunath Mayappan and IPL COO Sundar Raman facing ire of the probe panel.
लेकिन यह तो तय हो गया ना, जो रिपोर्ट में दिखा है कि श्रीनिवासन ने अपने दामाद को बचाने के लिए सब कुछ किया। उसमें रिपोर्ट में यह भी लिखा हुआ है कि जब पुलिस, बंबई की पुलिस कार्रवाई कर रही थी तो उनको रोका गया, काम नहीं करने दिया गया। तो यह सब दबाव कहां से आया? कहीं ना कहीं से तो आया होगा। और मैं सदैव कहता रहा हूं कि इसके अंदर इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों का हाथ है जो देश के कानून से ऊपर है।
The next hearing is scheduled on November 24th. And in BCCI's emergent meeting today, the probe panel report is expected to be tabled in front of the members, with the board's bigwigs likely to seek legal help to chalk out the next course of action.
Will BCCI, what we are being told at this point of time, is going to be waiting for what unfolds in the Supreme Court and then take an action. Unlike when the cricketers were found guilty, cricketers were caught, they were suspended pending inquiry, which is not likely at this point of time, is an option that BCCI is not looking at. They are stating that we are going to wait for the court proceedings to go on before taking any action, because that would be violation of court. However, the anti-Srinivasan camp at this point of time is preparing to ask those tough questions to Sundar Raman.
Srinivasan's clearance certainly comes as a huge relief for the BCCI. But with the credibility of IPL at stake, the task for Srinivasan and company will be to save the cash-rich league. And also see to it that both Gurunath and Sundar Raman escape with a minimum fine. Sports Bureau, Times Now.